Every aspect of the Alt Pen has been thoughtfully designed with a high level of detail and craftsmanship. My patent-pending design features a pen bit adapter that magnetically secures D1 ink refills with a satisfying snap. The pen bit can be swapped out for precision tool bits, turning the Alt Pen into a Phillips, slotted, Torx, and even pentalobe screwdriver. The Alt Pen even works with standard precision tool bits you might already own. The Alt Pen has a Mono-knurl that provides a tactile grip with an elegant aesthetic. The bottom of the Alt Pen stores up to 4 tool bits, secured with a magnetic compression cap that helps eliminate rattle. The magnetic cap also allows for easy removal of the tool bits. The top cap is designed to seamlessly blend into the body of the pen. Even the box was designed to be used as a case.